Hello everyone, hope you're all doing good. In this video, I'll be showing how to paint this Christmas tree for Christmas tree ornaments. For the base, I have used black for all the three ornaments. And before getting into the video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. It motivates me to put more videos. For the first pattern, I'm just randomly drawing curves across the Christmas tree. I'm starting with the stem portion here. Initially I'm placing a half circle dot and I'm just surrounding with tiny dots. There will be multiple rows here of various sizes of dots. For the gaps between the dots, I'm just placing tiny dots using lead, which was 0.7 mm. For the first row, I'm just placing yellow color dots. There will be two rows of yellow color dots here, and the next row will have pink color dots. It will also have two rows of pink color dots. And for the space here, what I'm doing is, instead of filling it with gentle dots, I'm just placing a dot and dragging it down by twisting it like a tail, so that the space will be like filled, and also it will not look clumsy if we had placed normal dots. For the next row, what I'm doing is I'm just placing pink color dots and I will just surround it with green color dots. There will be two rows of green color dots. For filling up the space, I'm just using lighter shade green. Since I have already used a darker shade green, I'm just opting for lighter green. So whatever lighter shade you have, you can use that. For the next row, I'm just using a different pattern. I'll not be repeating the same pattern across this tree ornament. So this way, each rows will be unique and the design will be different. But for the spacing alone, I'll be using the same way how I had filled in the previous rows. So the green color will be like alternate. First it is a dark green, right? For the next row it is lighter green, and then dark green, then lighter green, and it goes on. For the swishes, I have used the same yellow color, but later I had changed into the magenta color which I had used for the dot. The reason being, it was not very much visible and vibrant, so that was the reason I changed the yellow color swishes into a magenta color swishes. For the second pattern, I'll be placing different colored dots across the ornament. The idea behind this ornament is the different colors resemble the lights on the Christmas tree. So I'll be just surrounding the lights with various shades of green color, starting from the lighter shade and it will end across with a darker shade green. This shade of darker green was not very visible against the black background. So later, once I completed this pattern, I just replaced with the lighter green shade. For the third pattern, I will be placing lighter green shades on the borders, and inside I will be filling with darker green shade of one row of darker green shade. Once that one row of darker green shade is completed, of course there will be empty spaces. So the empty spaces will be filled with random sizes of darker green dots. Make sure you just leave a tiny space for other color dots. Here I will be placing various colors like red, yellow, white to just represent the lights on the Christmas tree. So this pattern is actually complete and it is also a very simple pattern, but it will look very good on the Christmas tree. Hope you all like these 3 patterns and thank you so much for watching the video till the end. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. And if you try these works, please tag me on Facebook and Instagram. I will just love to see your creations. Thank you so much.